professional AI voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, presentations, commercials, or social media content. ElevenLabs makes it easy to generate natural-sounding voiceovers using advanced AI voices in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you how to create voiceovers with ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. After signing in, open the text-to-speech section from the dashboard. This is where you'll create AI-generated voiceovers from your written script. Type or paste the script you want the AI to read. Using proper punctuation, short paragraphs, and natural wording usually helps produce smoother and more expressive voiceovers. Choose an AI voice that matches the style of your project. You can preview different voices and adjust available settings such as stability, style, speed, or other controls, depending on the selected voice model and your subscription. Click the Generate button and wait while ElevenLabs creates your voiceover. Listen carefully to the result, and if needed, edit your script or adjust the voice settings before generating another version. Once you're satisfied with the final result, download the audio file or save it to your project. Your finished voiceover can be used in videos, podcasts, presentations, training materials, and other creative content while following ElevenLabs licensing and usage policies. And that's how to create voiceovers with ElevenLabs in 2026. With realistic AI voices, powerful customization options, and quick generation, you can produce professional quality voiceovers for almost any type of content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.